So last year we created our greenhouse with above pool parts and then of course some additional pipes. But what my favorite feature on this entire greenhouse is the ground cover. So let me go ahead and show you what we did to make sure to keep this lasting for a long time. So my greenhouse is actually 30 feet long. So if you look down the center here, this is actually 30 feet of ground cover. When you're laying it down, to ensure that you don't have any frays, go ahead and actually fold this under, and then you're going to want to use some staples, ground staples, that'll actually go ahead and hold this down. So what this does in my garden is it helps me not having to get my hands and knees and pull a whole bunch of weeds. So like this guy right here is just barely coming in. I can go ahead and just actually pull it and I'm done. This helps me to minimize the amount of weeds that are coming into my garden. I guess that's probably a better way to say it. Now, to create the holes the way that I did, I took basically a metal rod and I bent it into a circle. I fired up the barbecue pit and then I heated up that metal rod and I actually melted this plastic so that way there's not a bunch of frays all the way around each plant. And then I strategically placed the holes wherever I wanted them to so that I could actually go ahead and plant my plants, my vegetable garden, in those spaces. Now, the last ground cover that I had in this exact spot lasted me 10 years, okay? So we just actually laid this down this last year. Now, you can actually go ahead and you can sweep this or just go ahead and get you a blower and then blow it out. Works really, really well and it keeps everything nice and clean. Guys, if you felt the review was helpful, please go ahead and hit the thumb below so that other people will watch the review. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day.